October 25th and 26th. Mark these dates on your calendar because I've answered your calls. We've always been told one on one, one on one, one on one. What about one to many? On October 25th or 26th from 1 to 5:30 p.m. Eastern, 2 2-hour sessions with a 30-minute gap. I'm going to walk you through how to create your signature group program. But this isn't something you're going to just sit back and listen to. Be focused, pay attention, because if you do that within that 4-hour period, you'll have created your group program. And creating is one thing, filling it is another. You'll know exactly what to say on that sales page if you feel you need to create one, what to say inside your social media posts to get people to join it, what to say inside your office to get your current patients to join it. Picture this: one group session, 4 weeks long, 1 hour each week, 35 people in at $1,000 a pop, 35,000 bucks, 4 hours of your time. You can replicate it and duplicate it over and over and over again. That's the possibility. Now you can help more people at one time and make more money while you're at it. October 25th and 26th. The links to purchase are below. No sales page for this one. You have all the details right here. We're going to build out your program, your signature program on the first 2 hours. Then we're going to build out exactly what you need to say in the second 2 hours. Choose which day you want, October 25th or October 26th. Seating is limited. So join in now and claim your spot on the day that you would like to attend. Email me if you have any questions.